If you want ice cream, call me the endearment of Ilocano.
Ilocano. Huh? You said. That's what you said.
When you call your loved ones in Ilocano.
Ukininam?
Kininaman na to, kininama.
Huh?
Is that ano? Saying I love you or love it? No, kininaman to, kininaman.
Oh, mahal ko.
Oh, that is Tagalog.
Oh, that naman. Oh, sweetheart ko.
That is English. I said Ilocano.
Oh, dugok ko.
That's not sweet. That is salty. What else? The sweet done.
Biyag ko.
Biyag ko.
Ayat ko. Tungo.
Tungo.
Buget ko.
Bucket. Sounds like bouquet.
Biyag ko. Did I already say that?
Yeah, you already said the
No, I
biyag
said
ko.
ayat ko.
Oh, you already said the biyag ko.
No, no.
No more?
I'm full. I
Go
still
on.
got half. I'm saving the rest.
I'm big. Guess what? I'm almost done.
Really?
I don't like cotton candy. Cotton candy just makes me sick.
Cotton candy makes me hyper.
Cotton candy just
Yeah, I
makes
just
me
won't
sick.
want you to be hyper.
How much time?